gonna grab a gun, and then boom, like, see, that's literally magic. What's up guys, back with another video, and you're wondering, if I'm a prisoner, why do I have police gear that you can't steal? Like literally, I'm a prisoner, and I have police gear you can't steal. Well, I figured out a glitch where you can spawn with police gear that you cannot obtain if you're a prisoner. And it's for free, so basically you just literally need to get arrested, that's it. Okay, I'm just gonna jump off here because that's not what the video is. Yeah. So I gotta find like a police to like, yeah. I'm just gonna like get everything. Hey, get me arrested. Yep, right now, just wait for a second. And then switch teams. Press police. Now we're police, we're gonna grab a gun. And then boom, like, see, that's literally magic. That's literally magic. I literally found this glitch. I made up this glitch completely by myself. I didn't get it from anyone, I just made it completely by myself. So if you see anyone else doing this glitch, please know that I made this up. In fact, why don't we try it again and show them that I'm a prisoner. Ow, I didn't want. I'm a prisoner and I can arrest two polices. I can arrest two polices. They're like, how the heck do I have handcuffs? I'm a prisoner. They're like, how the heck do I have handcuffs? I'm a prisoner. See, they're leaving the game, literally. They're literally leaving the game. Or either they're leaving the game, or I'm just like arresting them with my hands. This is very interesting. This is like I don't even know what to say there. Wait, do I have the? Okay, I don't have the key card. Oh, what is that music? Get out. No. Alright, they have the new vehicle in the game. I'm just gonna try getting myself in trouble again. Aha! Now I can try getting myself in trouble by getting. Can you arrest me? Arrest me, sir. Arrest me, sir. Yes, arrest me. Let's go. All right. Now, police. Start as a police. That. Boo! Man, this is so amazing. So, we're gonna be. Now you know how to do the glitch. You just gotta switch teams when you're arrested. Wait for like a second or two, then switch teams, and then you gotta get that shotgun, and then come out of the thing while you're police, and then you get teleported to this cell. So if you like need to get pickpocket, you could just tase them. If you want to get pickpocket them without interrupting, just like tase them. Oh, I got handcuffs. I'm gonna arrest the police. Get back here and rescue them. They're like, who the heck is this over here? Okay, come on! You're like moving at last second. Get tased! Get tased! And you think I'm not? I'm just gonna get back at you. Okay, we got a point. Let's go. Oh, what is he coming to do? Getting the SWAT. Oh God. Oh, he got a handcuff. Let's get out of here. Oh man. Let's get out of here. Man, I got a skin that's so recognizable that he can recognize me everywhere and just arrest me. He's good. And let's run away. First, let's run away. This police. God. How am I supposed to get to the helicopter? I need the helis. I'm staying away from you. I am staying way away from you. I really want the helicopter. Maybe you can do something. Maybe Okay, I don't do that. Well, yeah, so we're gonna like keep trying to. Still. Go, 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 go. Come on, we can get the helicopter. I think if we don't get this game. Alright, hopefully he doesn't do it. Oh my gosh, this is so intense! This is so intense. Well, we got the gear. Guys, thank you for joining me on this glitch. I really loved you. I really loved this adventure with you, but well, now you know how to get a head start and spawn with police gear that you cannot obtain as a prisoner. Oh my gosh, we got him. That's mortal man. Something important. Yes, I'm hijacking it. If you do this too many times, then it's gonna glitch and you like. I'll tell you what that is. We're like gonna drop down to get this dude. Come here, come get it. All right, no one wants to get it. Out. Oh, come on, get it. Get it. No one wants to get it. And oh god. No, don't just do it. Don't just do it. Here we go. Woo! Alright, I got a passenger. I mean, at least I'm helping someone. No one else gets the contest. Maybe they haven't got the key card yet, and I'm heading to the bank. Oh god. Oh my god, hopefully that's something. Okay, someone started robbing it, and then I guess I'm just gonna like. Someone really just got arrested. I'm gonna wait till like. I'm locking this thing, guys. I locked it, so no one can steal it. I'm gonna wait till they go away, or better yet, too. Alright, we can go. Okay, come on, Dad. You wanna rob the bank or something? Okay, this person doesn't. You want to rob the bank? I'm just gonna rob the bank for myself. Oh, I gotta unlock it. There we go. Now let's rob the bank. And I'm robbing the bank. And it's closed. Great. Bank's closed. Now I'm gonna go like try finding something to rob, or else this glitch is just gonna be like. Alright, let's go to the diamonds. Diamonds. I want some diamonds. Or actually, let's go to the that's gonna be hard for me to get. Whose helicopter is that? I'll take that helicopter. I'm gonna go and find these ones. I have no idea where it is. You know what? We're gonna like try finding the train. Oh, we found the train! I'm robbing the train. Okay. So the train's going into this tunnel. We can beat it, right? So we're gonna have to follow where the train goes. We've got to follow where this train goes. Oh no, is this not here? Oh my gosh, whoa. Alright. I have no idea what it's underground. I think it's underground. I have no idea what it's go to the donut shop. Okay, that's the jail. Should I say something? We're gonna go rob the donut shop. That's what this is. And we lost the person. Oh, that hopefully I didn't kill him. Oh my gosh, I think I might have killed someone. Oh, it's okay. I'm just gonna walk this. Walk this way. Donut store. Gliders. Oh no, that's not the donut store. This is the donut store. We found it. Woohoo. Okay, let's go rob. I've never robbed the donut store. Actually, I have, but very long. Why does it take so long to rob? And why do you have to hold T to rob? It's like you're in a real life situation. You're like, ee, and then you get open. You could just rob it like more than once. That's very weird. I could just like. Come back later. Oh, what do you mean don't spend money on kill you? Alright, cool. We've robbed something. Anyways. Oh, that's a sick new thing. How much does it cost? I probably have no money for it. 1 million something like that dollars. How much money do I don't even have that much money. I have $10,000. I have $10,000. This is so sad. Anyway, where did I put my alley? Where did I put my alley? Oh, there it is. My alley's all over. Where's my alley? Open. Skip. Okay, I got that. Open. Skip. Oh, wait. Open. Skip. Oh my god. It doesn't give you any good pieces. I might just inside just in case the. Oh, turbine! It's actually gonna kill me. Are you kidding me? I know I'm gonna shoot myself. Anyway, it's the argument. I bet you, the radio always wants to. Alright, where to next? Man, I love walking. Oh my god. Okay, I don't know why. Everybody's dying right now. Let's head back to the city and maybe we can rob. Actually, let's go save some more people from the jail, from the prison. Let's go see. What's the difference between what really is the difference between prison and jail? Is jail like temporary and prison like forever or something? Whoa, oh my gosh, I'm just a savage. Well, I've never actually got it. Whoa, I am just like that. I don't know how you rob it. We can rob it. Let's go save like some more people. Oh, I can do like lights. I don't want to attract attention. Ooh, okay, we found the jail. Let's go save some more. Alright, I'm landing. I'm landing. Get in. Wait a minute. What is that crazy cycle doing? Get in, everybody. Get in. I'm gonna lift off. You wanna get in? Free ride to the game. Taking off in like 10 seconds. Whoa, whoa, chill. Hello? Alright, who wants to go? Come in! Come in! And he's gonna hang on to that. Hopefully I don't kill him like the other guy. We are gonna be going to the bank. Yup, to the bank. I'm just gonna... Man, I'm so happy I got this version. Help prevent everything. Anyway, whoa! Does anybody want to buy that one? Anyone want to buy that? And even if that other one, let me go drive so I can change the color. I know. We're just gonna steal it, and yeah. Oh, we have to kill some peeps here. Gotta kill some people here. And anyway, who do we have here that we need to kill? I thought there was someone like right here. Alright, let's go down. Unlock. Okay, you guys, I said I'd take you to the bank in safety, so I did. So now you gotta face the police. I didn't say I'd help you with the police. Oh, let's do it. Oh no, that poor guy just left. No, don't worry, I'm coming. Oh, man. No, don't reset your character. What have I done? What have I done? What am I, a monster? I killed 2 people. And I made one commit suicide, which is weird. I killed 2 people, oh no. I didn't like a murderer. Okay, let's find out what that did. Thanks. Someone trying to get my attention back here. Is that just at the top? Okay, there's the diamonds. Let's see the little green sign. Let's first make sure that there's no... Kill him. Kill him. I'm just like gonna walk mine so like no one just comes in and jacks or something. What? Oh no, oh god, oh god. Down in the shop safety. I think the diamond shop's safe. I got 65. I'm just gonna like get out and zoom out. Okay, there's just like some. Whoa, look at that nice floor. Sick, bro. I know he's getting one. What the heck are you doing? What the heck? Oh, I am really just... Is it closed? Which means I can't rob it underneath. Okay, you can go back in your car, bro. You have like a sick car. You're just gonna like with it. Okay, he's gone. Good. It's been so long since I've actually been doing that. I don't know anything. Ow! What is wrong? Ow, I'm gonna die. Ah. I'm just gonna break this taxi. I can't. I wanna go rob the museum. Why can't I rise this? Fucking why? Finally, there we go. You look at that. It's sort of like, oh, sick. Oh, no. Come on, the gallery. Okay, so. What's this song? Whoa! I can play songs. That's so cool. I didn't even buy the pass. Did I glitch that too or something? Do you need? I'm pretty sure you need a pass. Okay, whatever. I am just gonna like take that out of my mind, guys. Yeah. Okay, what do you want to lift? Coming for a lift. Get in the yard if you want to lift. In fact, I'm gonna get this helicopter. Oh no, he's not gonna get on. Oh no, I don't want to break the American flag. I'm sorry. Unlock. This is not the best place to end. Now, oh, let's go to the bank. Look, he's like, death trap. That's true, I accidentally death trapped him. Alright, we're heading to the bank. Locked it so no one can enter driver. And I'm starting a bank robbery.